Good morning, T-Bird family. I'm Holden.
I'm Macy.
Today is Monday, November 24th, 2025.
Now on to lunch update. I'm Jace. I'm Nola. Today's lunch options are honey bacon glazed Tinder sandwich, a corn dog, and a chef's salad. Now on to the forecast. I'm Kate.
And I'm Hadley.
Today's weather will be a high of 56 and a low of 47.
Now on a daily download.
Hi, Malia.
I'm Peyton.
Today in T-Bird Country from the Hollister Field, here's what's happening.
Basketball at home against R6. Good luck.
Just a friendly reminder, make sure you're checking your grades and tardies in T-Bird time.
Get missing work turned in ASAP.
Second quarter ends on December 19th. Late work deadline is December 12th.
I'm Jana.
And I'm Amber. We're getting closer to two of our favorite celebrations. Thanksgiving is just 6 days away.
Christmas is 34 days away.
Lost and Found. I'm Gracelyn.
And I'm Eliza. We got some khaki shorts. We got an Under Armour zip up. We have another Under Armour zip up. We have a fuzzy camo jacket. We got an NBA sweatshirt. A fleece zip up. Basketball sweatshirt. Ladies basketball sweatshirt. A black sweatshirt thing. Pants. Leggings. Oh, and a gray jacket.
Over here we have a Taj Mahal book, I think. A khaki coat. Orange sweatshirt. A something hoodie.
Apollo
hoodie. A bag that says Tuesday. A pink fleece sweater. A green sweater. Oh wait, I think that's Brooklyn's.
Brooklyn, come get your growth sweater.
A pair of jeans. What else? We have a fleece jacket that says North Callaway on it. And blue pants. Leggings.
Bell-bottom leggings.
I think that's Adrian's. It's T-Bird's hoodie.
T-Bird athlete.
And begin the journey, one page at a time.
Come get your stuff.
If you don't come get your stuff from the Lost and Found,
it's gonna be donated.
Yeah, it's gonna be gone.
I'm Tristan.
And I'm Sylvia.
Welcome to Classroom Chronicles, a segment where we share fun activities happening in classrooms at NCMS.
The drama class attended a production of the Sioux School Juniors. Stay tuned for a photo.
Woo!
I'm Jana.
I'm Jace.
Welcome to the highlight reel.
The segment where NCMS students and staff share recent moments that made them smile, laugh, and feel inspired. Bye.
What has been your favorite moment at NCMS recently?
It's been a pretty good year for me. There's been a lot of good moments. My favorite was watching Truxton hit the half court shot at the North versus South Callaway games, and then I liked the celebrations in the locker rooms after our couple wins, and I've liked being a part of student council, being the vice president.
What has been your favorite moment at NCMS recently?
I really enjoy my fun Fridays that I do in T-Bird time. I get to play card games with the kids and we have a lot of fun.
I'm Macy. And I'm Kate. Then that's a wrap from T-Bird Country. Remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible. If you have an overdue library book, please get that turned in ASAP.
Don't forget to say the pledge.